Let's take a look at the first example. I have xy and xy. These two variables are identical. That's why both of them make this term and this term like terms. Remember, anytime I do not have any factor on the front of the product or variable, there is always invisible one. So I have minus 1xy minus 8xy. What we're supposed to in this case? We're supposed to add these two terms and keep the sign. So I have 1 plus 8 is equal 9xy, and I'm supposed to keep the negative sign. Someone can ask why we have negative. Okay? Just keep in mind that anytime we talk about addition, let's say we have xy plus 8xy. Okay? Remember, anytime we do not have any sign, there is always invisible positive. We simply add these two terms together, and answer is 9xy. We keep the same sign, positive and positive. So this is my positive. The same story we have with negative numbers. Anytime we do not have parentheses, we simply keep this sign and add the terms. That's why I have negative 9xy. Let's take a look at the second example. We have the same kind of problem. I have negative w minus 2w. Remember, anytime there is no integer, there is always invisible one. What am I supposed to do? Check. I have no parentheses. I simply add them together and keep the sign. That's why I have 3w and I keep the negative sign. Answer is negative 3w. In this case, we have to perform multiplication first. Remember, anytime you are going to have bracket or parentheses between two signs, this is like having multiplication between these two signs. So I have to remember, we have to keep the order of operations. We're supposed to multiply first. Okay, so I have negative times negative is going to give me positive. That's why I have 9b plus 7b. One more time, negative times negative gives me positive. Now, because I have the same variable next to 9 and 7, these two terms are like terms. I can add them together. 9 plus 7 is equal 16b. And this is the solution to my problem.